Are you looking for the best hair removal spray underarm private body? In this video we will look at some of the best hair removal spray underarm private body on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Painless Hair Removal Spray Underarm Private Body. Painless Hair Removal Spray Underarm Private Body Leg Hair Remove Cream Growth Inhibitor Depilatory Body Care for Men Women. The formula is mild and non-irritating, suitable for all skin types. Remove body hair quickly and effectively, reducing the pain of traditional hair removal and giving you a more comfortable experience. Contains moisturizing ingredients, which can moisturize the skin while removing hair and keep the skin soft. Number 2. 2 minutes Fast Hair Removal Spray Painless Hair Growth Hair Removal Spray. 8 minutes Hair Off Hair Removal Spray is a fast-acting depilatory spray for quick, painless hair removal at home with results that last longer than shaving. Unwanted hair can easily removed. Hair growth inhibition. Mild and painless hair growth inhibition spray. With regular use, the active ingredients considerably reduce, weaken and delay the regrowth of hair. Number 3. Hair Removal Cream Eliminate Armpit Private Part. Painless hair removal agent. It is specially developed for removing hard and rough hair. It is milder and more effective than traditional hair removal methods such as scraper, tweezers, wax paper, and tweezers, achieving a painless hair removal effect. No black spots left. The cream penetrates deep into hair follicles, dissolves hair, removes hair painlessly and reduces hair follicles. Deep hair removal to the roots, without leaving black spots, making the skin smooth and radiant. Number 4. 3 minutes Fast Hair Removal Cream Painless Hair Growth. Adopting advanced 3D targeted hair removal technology, the hair removal ingredients are accurately applied to the hair, resulting in faster and more thorough hair removal without leaving any black spots. It is gentle and painless, without redness or burning. Formulated with glycerin and sodium hyaluronate, it soothes and nourishes the skin during hair removal, making the skin fearless of pain, redness, and burning. After hair removal, the skin is soft, moisturized, delicate, and smooth. Number 5. Gentle Hair Removal Cream. Gentle hair removal formula, specially designed for sensitive skin, quickly dissolves hair without irritating the skin. Rich in peach essence, moisturizes and repairs the skin, leaving the skin smooth and delicate without leaving any rough marks. Convenient and painless hair removal method, easy to enjoy salon-level hair removal experience at home, suitable for whole body use.